Cutest freaking restaurant ever. Welcome to my channel. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, Tia Topics. Today is going to be another nature vlog walk. I'm gonna go to Wawa because I've never been to Wawa, and apparently everybody loves Wawa. So I'm gonna go check out what they have there. You know what I'm gonna try to find? I'm gonna try to find a Twinkie. I feel like this is the kind of place that would have a Twinkie. Cause like, don't they still sell them for like, just not all over the place? No Twinkie. I don't know why people love this place so much. It's literally just like a convenience store. It's like a 7-Eleven. So, there was nothing special about Wawa. And I didn't find a Twinkie. I'm gonna make my way back. I found my big cornfield that I found. Now I'm gonna go back to the town that I was in and try to find a spot to sit down and write. I think that I found a Christmas tree farm because these all look like Christmas trees that probably gonna be cut down, which is pretty cool. It's like a whole bunch of them. This one is like super big. Look at the tiny one. Ha ha ha, it's like this big. It's the size of, it's half of my face. And the sun is finally starting to come out. Sun kiss. I feel like a hitchhiker. I'm surprised nobody stopped to ask me if I was okay. Like, I'm just wandering on the side of the road. What if I got into a fight with my boyfriend and he kicked me out the car and now I'm stranded? Nobody cares? It's messed up. So messed up. Not one person tried to stop and ask me if I was okay. But if they did, I'd probably be creeped out and think they were trying to kidnap me. So it's a lose-lose situation. I decided that I need a walking stick. So I got me a walking stick. This is cool. This is cool. You gotta get out your environment. Feel me? And just try something new. Different place, different area. Get a different vibe. Sometimes. Not all the time. Guys, I found a butterfly and I think it's hurt. Because it's just like walking on the ground. I'm gonna put it in the grass. Woo! It's definitely hurt. I'm gonna put it in the grass. I don't want it to get run over. Stay right there. I'll put it in the grass. Can't fly. Its wing is hurt. The only thing that I know to do is to put it in the grass. I think it'll be safer there. I wish there was like a butterfly sanctuary that I could take it to or something, because its wing is clear. Okay guys, so I made it back to civilization. I'm gonna check out this German American restaurant that I seen yesterday that I want to try their cuisine because I never really had German cuisine. So I'm gonna go get some lunch. And this place is just like adorable. It's called Sabadians. I don't know. How do you pronounce that? Look. They got like seated areas. Thank you. I feel like I'm in fairy tale land. Look at the other side of this place. It's mad cute. Outside sitting area. We got like a whole bunch of flowers. There's a couple of people in there. I'm a little nervous to actually go in there, but gonna try. Here we go. Smells good. Let's go. Hi. This place is so cute. I'm gonna try to get the most German thing on the menu. Honestly, like they have like cute little outfits. This is the cutest restaurant I've ever freaking been in. It's just so family oriented. It's adorable and these paintings are amazing. Oh, not a bathroom. And it smells so good in here. This is like adorable. Oh my god. Oh my god. I think I gotta go to Germany. This German salad is really good. And the pork skin crust is so crispy and it's hot and the inside is juicy. They did a good job. So I just had a great lunch at a very, very cute German restaurant, and I think I found where I'm gonna sit down for a while and just write some things in my book. This is the area where I'm just gonna sit down. It's nice. Make sure I'm sitting crap. Let's see. I think this is cat poop. I think that might be cat poop. I gotta find a different area. There's a whole bunch of cats over here. This little thing, I don't even know what that is. What is that? Let's just hope nothing hops out the bushes. I got my speaker, got my book, got my water. Yeah, I'm gonna get bit up right here. It's like 4 mosquitoes is just on me. I'm prone to mosquito bites. For some reason, they like my blood. So I already know how this is going to end. It's going to end with me having a whole bunch of bites. But that's the price you pay for nature. So quiet. Just contemplate life in the middle of nowhere. Honestly, guys, this trip was well needed and well deserved. Well, I'm ashy. I need some lotion. Alright, y'all, so today was an amazing day and I got to sit outside and do some well needed writing. The sun is almost gonna go down soon, so I'm gonna head inside. I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and later, y'all.
This video has been brought to you by DDNT Entertainment.